Talking about visualizing numbers, your calculation results can be presented in various ways, explaining the value to your customer. And big numbers, of course, are powerful, but only if your customers know what you mean, right? Can they convert and compare them in terms of money, time, or other decisions? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to present your results in a more powerful way using gauge elements. And for this topic, I chose a simple body mass index calculator, and probably many people want to calculate it, but if the results only show the number, you don't know what to do with it, right? So especially if you're creating a calculator meant to inform, educate, or convince the user, you can show the norms and explain what are the necessary steps according to the results. In this case, we can show what is considered underweight, overweight, or normal weight. So first, let's open the calculator editor, add the gauge element, and set the ranges. So in my settings, I choose to not show the label. Then I have to set the range and where it ends. So I'll make it at 40. Then I have to choose my result element, which is 4. And as you see, there is only one choice because it is directly related to the result section and the formula element. Further on, we set the gauge scale. And since my biggest index can be 40, I'll set it as 10, 20, 30, and 40 separated by comma. And lastly, we customize the segments. So my first segment goes from 0 to 18.5 and it's considered underweight. So I'll make it red. Then the second segment is 18.5 to 25, which is the normal weight and it's considered healthy. So the color is green. And then the last segment here is from 25 to 40 and I'll make it yellow. It's considered overweight. So this visualization already helps to understand what is good and what's not, guiding the users to take certain actions based on these results. And later on, using text gauges, you can move even further and add more information, so show more segments. The information in there will be provided as plain text, but it can be more personalized to each visitor using the calculator. And let's say my user gets into the yellow range by a few pounds, so should they be worried or is it not worth worrying at all? So here I want to add more segments that will let each case know that this information is directed specifically to them. And again, when I add a text gauge, I create more segments with smaller ranges and information for each range. So setting a text gauge is almost the same as setting a simple gauge. I won't show the label. I choose the result element as 4 from my formula, and only in this case I will add more segments. So in my case I'll make it 5, and here my first one is from 0 to 16 and I'll call it severely underweight and mark it as red. Then the second segment will go from 16 to 18.5 and we'll mark it as underweight and it can be yellow. Then the third segment is 18.5 to 25, the normal range and considered healthy weight. So it will be green. Then we'll add the fourth segment, which is from 25 to 35, and it can be considered obese class 1, so it's already overweight, but I'll still mark it as yellow. And then the fifth segment from 35 to 40 is considered obese, very obese, so I'll mark it as red. So with very overweight and underweight results, I can offer my users to either contact me or get a personalized meal program, or in other cases, I can just offer a consultation or a newsletter to include some small changes in their diet. So finally, with gauge elements, you can show different personalized information according to the calculations and the results for the case. But keep in mind, these elements are only related to the final formula element and react to it. So if you want to make other elements appear or hide depending on different conditions, you'll have to use the conditional visibility feature. And you can find more about it in our tutorial on Calconic channel. So thank you for watching.